up guys, it's Carl and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something special to my PC again. So you decide, oh, I want speakers for my PC because I am too lazy to get my headset. So you decided to get the cool, decent speakers you can get, very good in the market, but you don't hear the bass or anything, and it's like, it's alright, but I want something a little more extra. So you just toss your speakers away and you decide to get a Bose. What is the Bose you get? You get the Bose TV speaker, well, / computer speaker. So before we start the video, be sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything. Also follow my Twitter account at CarlAven, C1AWR, again at C1AWR. And now let's get into this glorious Bose TV, well, TV / computer speaker. So the dimensions of the speaker are 23.4 by 2.2 by 4 inches. So usually this is supposed to be for TVs, as in the label TV speaker in bold letters. But if your PC has like a fiber optics cable like my beautiful Aurora R10 Anywhere I got off of Dell.com, you can actually hook it up from fiber optics, but be sure to not dirty the cable because it will lose connection or do a bunch of latency issues. So we're gonna unbox this and we're actually gonna put it on this beautiful PC. Alright, so let's open this up. So all you have to do is just rip this. It's very easy. And now we open this box and wow. That was straightforward. This was like so much straightforward than the vacuum. Alright, so now we just have to pull it out just through this trusty handle right here. And you just have to grab it but not drop the speaker. Alright, we just set it down right there. And we take off this and do this. Alright, so let's see what we get in the box. You get the speaker itself, as I have on the side. Also get the remote, the handy dandy remote. Has the bass button, has the TV button, has the power on and off button, the mute button, and volume. I'm not sure what that is, so we're gonna find out soon enough. This is the fiber optics cable. Be sure to not dirty this, because if you actually dirty this, you'll have a bunch of latency issues and maybe it will actually break. This is actually the power cable, which is an AC adapter. I was taking the looking back at the speaker. As you can tell, this is the HDMI, the ARC. This is the optical in, the aux in. This is for the service, like for updates and stuff, and this is for the optional bass you can put straight on the soundbar, which is sold separately, and also the power cable right here. Alright, so we're gonna try on one of my YouTube videos. You guys might know it's an unboxing of the best PC ever. I'll leave down in the link description down below. What's up guys, it's Carl Raven. Welcome back to another video. Today is an exciting day. Today I am unboxing an Apple. Okay. This sounds really good. This sounds very good. This has actually a decent amount of bass, just the soundbar. With the other bass, you could get more bass, but there's really no necessary needs to get that if you're just gonna use the soundbar. But this is actually very good. It's worth it. So we're gonna try the dialogue mode, see if it makes any difference. I wanna see if it does it or not. It's probably not gonna make a difference because this is YouTube, but let's try it anyway, see if it works. Subscribe in the next 5 seconds if you want to unbox this. Listen to that dude, subscribe in the next 5 seconds. Okay, you can tell the difference. Like, it makes the voices a little louder, but not like as loud as you think. It's probably because this is a YouTube video. In movies or TV shows, I wouldn't understand if it goes louder or not. So this will probably go loud for TVs and movies, but for YouTube, you really can't tell the difference because it's YouTube. So this actually sounds really good. So we're gonna try the Bluetooth mode, see if it makes Alright, so we're gonna try on the Bluetooth to see if it makes a difference of that instead of the optical cable. So let's see if it makes a difference. So step 1, you have to press the Bluetooth button. It will like be flashing blue like that. Now I have to go on my phone and it's gonna find it. It's finding, okay, Bose TV speaker, I hit that. Now it's connecting. Oh, there we go. It's connected. Yep, it's connected. So we're gonna put some music on. So let's put some, I'm gonna put something that has like bass so we can see like what the power of this. it sounds really good, but I do recommend going with the optical cable instead. Like, it sounds still good, but it doesn't sound as powerful as what you can do with the optical cable. But it sounds good if you're streaming music, it still sounds good though. Alright, so in conclusion, this speaker is really, really good. It was really good as I imagined. I have another model of this, but the older model, this sounds way better than the model in there. So I really, really like this. Really recommend this. If you guys are interested in purchasing this, in the link description down below. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. But also leave a like and subscribe to the video so you won't miss anything. And also hit that notification bell on so you won't miss anything in the next. And until next time, see you in the next one.